Okay, when I started Nas Daily, I wanted to be better at video making. So I got some really expensive equipment to help me do that. Because I thought making videos every day would help me be the best at video making. I was wrong. My drone footage with incredible background music of the most beautiful places in the world does not make the best videos. So in this video, I'm putting down the drone, turning off the camera, and stopping the music to make you focus on the words. Because the best videos have the best story. It's not about how amazing your beach video is, it's about how well you can describe that beach with words. Are your words funny? Do they make sense? Do you use complicated ones? Is there a plot? Do you keep the viewer engaged? Sex! I think I got your attention back. You get the idea. You don't need expensive cameras to make great videos. All you need is a good story, and that's what I try to do every day. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow for another story.